Pittsburgh, it's Brian from the Brian Riley team at RE/MAX Select Realty. I'm here at our new listing, 177 Poplar Ridge Drive in Penn Hills Township. This is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, multi-level. You can see it behind me here. It's all brick, incredibly cleaned and well maintained and updated. Can't wait to show you the inside. Let's go take a look. So here in the kitchen, we've got granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Everything here is updated and ready for you to move right into. So that's 177 Poplar Ridge Drive here in Penn Hills Township. If you or someone you know is looking for a great home, give my team and I a call. We'd love to help you. Thanks for watching.